Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this UK Garage Drumkit. I told you guys I'll be coming up with another UK Garage Drumkit, but I feel like, as I said yesterday, I feel like this is way more better, Like if I'm being honest, I feel like this is better than the previous Garage Drumkit that I had before, As I said yesterday, in terms of, just quality itself. Things are just getting better, man. They're just getting better. So I don't want to talk about it too much. I just want you to actually hear it for yourself. So before we actually move any further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, man. So many goodies for you to actually look forward to here. So I'm gonna start you off first with the midis as always. Then we'll head back to the rest of the stuff. So I'll be using Contact as always to demonstrate the midis. Yeah, so like that. So let's get on with it. So I'm gonna load up the first MIDI. Let me just change this to maybe at least 125. To be too fast. All right, let's hear it. Sorry. So the second MIDI. All right, the last MIDI. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the midis, man. So yeah, so I'm sorry guys, I didn't have enough time for me to actually make a lot of midis, but it's small, but it's something. It's something to give you that little bit of inspiration, for you to actually start making that crazy garage beat. And you can go as far as tweaking the midis if you don't like what you're hearing. So yeah, so let's go ahead and jump to the rest of the stuff. So the 808. I'm sorry, this is a bass sample. No, this is 808. So the cymbal, the hi-hats. So the kicks. So the open hi-hats. Percussion. The snares. So yeah, that's it for the sauce, man. That's it for the sauce, bro. You know, crazy, isn't it? So like, link in the description down below. On it should be pretty much, you know, straightforward. But if you're getting any problems though, you know, downloading this, just hit me up on my number or maybe my email, and we'll talk, and I can guide you a little bit, you know. But it should be straightforward. It shouldn't be getting any problems. So yeah, so and I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up. So yeah, so that's it for the kit, man. So enjoy the Garage Drum Kit. Make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Stay safe. Namaste. Goodbye. Believers Radio.